The goal of this surgical intervention is to elucidate mechanisms of limb induction in the chick embryo by preventing signaling molecules from diffusing from medial tissues to cells in the lateral plate mesoderm and studying its effect on gene expression.
This method can help answer key questions in developmental biology, such as what are the inductive signals that control limb bud initiation? An advantage of this technique is that the chick embryo is accessible to surgical manipulation and very robust. In addition, the unoperated contralateral control limb bud serves as a very useful internal control. Susan Wilde will demonstrate the procedure.
To begin, cut a 1 cm square piece of 0.013 mm thick aluminum foil and sterilize it by wiping it with 70% ethanol. Then, place the square onto a 6 cm sterile plastic petri dish. To prevent static cling, discard the lid and make a new one for the dish from the same foil. Next, set the petri dish on top of a stage graticule under a binocular microscope set at 1.6x magnification. Use a number 15 blade small scalpel to cut 1.3 mm wide strips of the foil that are 2 mm long. Separate the foil strips using 2 pairs of number 4 watchmaker's forceps. Then, make a right-angled bend in the center of the foil barrier such that it resembles a hinge. Line up the barriers in the center of the petri dish with one side flat against the dish and the other pointing up out of the dish. Prepare 20 or more barriers before operation day.